The fault code P0555 in your Fiat vehicle means that the ECU doesn't get a proper signal from the brake booster pressure sensor. In Fiat cars, the sensor is mounted on a brake booster drum. It has a vacuum pipe connected to it and also the electrical connector. In most cases, these sensors are just broken because of questionable soldering quality, but sometimes you can have a connection issue, which is totally worth checking before you buy the new sensor. So first of all, disconnect the vacuum pipe from the sensor and start the engine. Do you have air blowing from that pipe? If no, the pipe may be clogged, and this is the culprit of the problem. Secondly, disconnect the electrical connector carefully and inspect it for any signs of corrosion. If everything is fine, firmly reconnect it, clear the code, and try driving for a day or two. If nothing happens, just replace this sensor. It costs 70, 80 euros or dollars OEM, so it's not the most expensive repair. Also, the sensor comes with the new vacuum pipe and new clamps, so you can easily install it on your own. But if the new sensor doesn't fix the problem, there is one more very uncommon culprit, the problem with the ECU or its connector. I know the case when the P0555 code was only fixed after replacing and reprogramming the ECU in the Fiat 500, but this is certainly not a DIY job, so I hope you'll be able to fix the problem with one of the easy steps.